Welcome to this short stretch routine, taking time to move slowly and breathe deeply with every stretch to get more benefits for your muscles and also to soothe your nervous system. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to the Trifecta Pilates YouTube channel. Here you'll find short classes from stretch sessions like this to Pilates workouts for a full library of classes, including specialized programs. Make sure to check out the Trifecta Pilates app. When you're ready, join me on the mat on hands and knees. Take time to spread wide through with your fingers, and if it's comfortable, tuck through your toes. Begin by taking a deep breath in. Your breath out round through your spine, letting your head reach down, open, and your next breath, sitting back, hips towards heels. You don't necessarily have to go all the way back. Focus more on where you're stretching, keeping your spine nice and round. Might be more through the feet, back, shoulders, a little bit of everything. And focus on your deep breaths here. To go deeper into the stretch, find more relaxation. And also just to settle the nervous system. Taking your time to come back. Natural curves with spine, shoulders over hands. Slide one leg long so your foot slides along the mat. Then take it to the opposite corner. It's crossing your body. Look over your shoulder and peek at your long leg, pressing into your heel. And keep just rotating. So you're doing a gentle side bend here. And as you continue breathing deeply, where can you soften and relax? Maybe through shoulders, a little bit more. Taking your time to come back to center and replace your knee and switch sides. So opposite leg glides, then slides across, peeking over your shoulder, pressing into your heel, breathing deeply, relaxing through your shoulders. Might even want to soften in your brow line. And coming back to center, just so that you can come onto your front side now on your mat. Letting your legs be straight, resting your forehead down onto your left hand, and bend your right heel in towards you, taking hold of your ankle with your right hand. If you'd like, flex through your foot, sensing equal weight in the hips, so not rocking off to one side once you have your ankle. And then tap back into the rhythm of your breath. Your next exhale, rolling your right shoulder back a little bit more. Sometimes it likes to stay rounding forward. Let your right shoulder roll back. A little bonus opening there as you're working to stretch through the front of your thigh. And then release your leg and switch sides. So once you have hold of the ankle, flexing of the foot is optional. Center your pelvis and reconnect to your deep breaths. Your left shoulder now is rolling back. You're just sensing, letting the front of the thigh open and stretch. Taking your time to slowly release. And now let's have a seat on your mat. Sitting nice and tall. Prioritize that more than if your legs go all the way straight. And start to pivot forward, eventually rounding through. Your hands can rest down or gently pull with your arms to deepen into your stretch. As long as that intensity feels nice for the back of your legs, you might even feel a stretching through your back once again. And seeing in your forward fold here, if you can just breathe in a little bit more deeply, then have a slower, longer breath out. So slowing down the rhythm of your breath while it deepens. Taking your time to come back up to a seated position. Bend through your knees and come onto your back. Your knees are bent. Your arms can be by your side here. And reach one leg up towards the ceiling. Roll the thigh out and cross the ankle over the opposite leg. If you want to use your hand to help it slide a little bit higher up your thigh, feel free to do that. And find your leg just opening out slightly. Now rotate your arms and palms to face up to the ceiling. And the leg that's crossed, start rotating in your pelvis. So your foot is going to wind up down on the floor. Little rotational stretch here. And tap back into your deep breathing. Sometimes in this position, it's really easy to let the shoulders grip up. Just let your shoulders fall open, chest nice and relaxed. A little rotation for your spine. You might also feel a stretch up through your hip. Your next breath out, coming to center. And you can stay here, foot down, or let the opposite leg lift. So figure 4 stretch of your choice here. Especially if your arms are threaded through, taking hold of the leg. Again, check in with your shoulders. Let your shoulders try to stay nice and open. And reset both feet down onto your mat. And switch sides. Other leg up towards the ceiling, rolling the thigh out and taking the leg across. Again, you can slide it down a little further, opening the knee away from you, rotating arms and palms to face up, and then rotating across your body until your foot goes down onto the floor. And take a few spacious breaths for yourself in this rotation. Again, I'll encourage you to breathe in a little bit more deeply and have a longer, slower breath out. Taking your time to come back to center. And again, you can stay right here or the other foot lifts as well. So figure 4 stretch of your choice here. Just be mindful, where are those shoulders, soften them, widen them. Just really giving yourself time with these stretches to breathe more deeply and getting more benefits out of your stretch session. Bend both knees in towards your chest now and keep one knee tight in, so it's so tight in towards you. Opposite leg goes up to the ceiling. It's straight and strong even if it's at a diagonal. We won't keep it here long. And reach your leg still straight and very strong all the way down. So you might start to sense a little bit more length across the front of the hip. If your heel doesn't quite go all the way down, that's okay. Focus more on reaching the leg in front of you. So you're hugging the opposite knee in towards your chest, and still shoulders falling open, open. Your long leg arcs back up towards the ceiling. Bend both knees in towards your chest and switch sides. So opposite leg up, strong leg, foot to flex, and take your time to arc your thigh forward, pulling your opposite thigh in and up and towards you. And even though your hands have hold of one leg, still shoulders nice and wide. Taking your time to bring the leg all the way back up and bend through both knees. Let's have a seat on your mat, sitting cross-legged. So sitting nice and tall here. Take your fingers just as wide as they can go, so your arms are very straight, and let one ear reach towards your shoulder. If you'd like, the opposite arm can wrap behind you, really wrapping the shoulder back as well. Breathing in to your body as deeply as you can. And just feel a nice settling down as you exhale. Open your arm, reset through with your head, and switch sides to opposite side. So it's reaching. If you'd like, taking arm behind. As you exhale, just sense just nice and heavy down. Resetting. And now switch the cross of your legs, so whatever leg is in front. Let the opposite leg come to the front. Hands can be on your knees to begin with. And just look down with your head. So just your neck lowers. And then bring your head back upright. Now you can repeat just that, but if you want a little bit more stretch, interlace your fingers and take your hands behind your head and do the same thing. Now ever so gently, we'll take a few breaths here. You can let your elbows be more narrow and just, you're not pulling on the head, but letting the weight of the arms help stretch out through the neck, maybe through the upper back and shoulders you might experience as well. Slowly bring your head back upright, pushing your head against your hands. And let's do that one more time, where your neck comes forward and you control the intensity here, where you can just have a little bit of a weight of your hands for the stretch or a little bit more. Your next breath out, bringing yourself up, really sensing your head, pressing gently against your hands. And your hands rest on your thighs, and take another deep breath for yourself here. Inhale. And again, just feel that nice settling and grounding as you exhale. Take 2 more deep breaths. Give yourself time to let the breath really nourish you. After your next exhale, return to more of your natural rhythm of breathing and hopefully feeling so incredible in your body. If you enjoyed this session, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Have a beautiful day and join me on the mat soon.